Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cake topper in Canva. We'll start by opening Canva and setting up your design space. First, select custom dimensions, perhaps 6 inches by 8 inches, to match your cake. Then, explore the vast array of elements, from fun graphics to elegant fonts, to find the perfect starting point for your unique creation. This initial setup is crucial for a successful and beautiful topper. Now, let's dive into the creative design process. You can choose a solid background or keep it transparent for a cutout look. Add your desired text, ensuring the font is legible and impactful. Then, browse Canva's elements to find graphics that complement your theme, like stars for a birthday or flowers for a wedding. Remember to group your elements so they move as one unit. Once your design is complete, it's time for sizing and exporting. Double-check that your topper fits your cake's dimensions, perhaps 6 inches wide. Make sure all elements are within the canvas boundaries. For the best print quality, download your design as a PDF print file. If you plan to cut it out precisely, a PNG with a transparent background is an excellent choice. Finally, let's get your topper ready for the cake. Print your design on good quality, sturdy cardstock, around 110-pound weight, for the best results. Carefully cut out your design using a craft knife or a cutting machine for clean edges. Then, attach 1 or 2 wooden or paper dowels to the back with hot glue or strong tape. Let it dry for at least 15 minutes, and your beautiful cake topper is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.